Have you ever wondered how a country can change so fast, so deeply, and so radically that the rest of the world can barely keep up? There are places on the planet where the future isn't a dream. It's the present. Places where technology, discipline, and collective ambition merge to create something that defies all logic. And among all these places, one rises like a giant moving decades ahead of the rest: China. Today, you'll discover how a nation once marked by wars and limitations transformed itself into one of the most futuristic, productive, and technologically advanced countries in the world. Get ready. What you're about to hear may forever change the way you see this country and the future of humanity. When we think of China, many imagine factories, crowds, or cheap products. But that image is incomplete. Today, China is cutting-edge research, smart cities, robots delivering packages, and magnetic levitation trains exceeding 600 kilometers per hour. It's a nation that wakes up every day asking, what can we improve today? And the most impressive thing is, it almost always finds an answer. While the world takes its time to decide, plan, or debate, China simply builds. Highways, bridges, ports, satellites, skyscrapers, universities, laboratories, all at a speed that seems impossible. But it isn't magic. It's discipline. It's vision. It's a model where technological ambition becomes part of the society's DNA. And that's why, to understand the world that's coming, it's impossible to ignore China. Its transformation hasn't been accidental. It has been planned, measured, and executed with a precision that surprises even its competitors. Today, we're going to explore this modern China, the one of innovation, rapid development, and high technology. The China that has become one of the world's main engines. This is not a journey into the past. It's a journey into what many countries hope to become tomorrow, but what China is already building today. And to begin, we must look at one of the most impressive pillars of 21st century China: its ability to transform entire cities into true laboratories of the future. Some countries need decades to transform a single city. China, on the other hand, does it in a matter of years. And not small projects, but entire urban giants that were once silent villages and now stand as massive hubs of steel, glass, and technology. Cities like Shenzhen, which grew from a coastal town into the world capital of innovation, are the clearest proof of something many hesitate to admit. When China decides to move forward, the entire world has to run just to avoid falling behind. In China, technology is not a privilege. It's an everyday tool. Facial recognition payments, self-driving taxis with no human inside, drones delivering packages, buildings constructed in under a week. This is a place where the future isn't an abstract concept, but something that literally surrounds you. Innovation is breathed in, it's seen, it's touched, and it's lived every minute. China has a unique ability, turning ideas that seem impossible into real projects. Bridges that cross entire seas, highways cutting through mountains deemed impassable, skyscrapers that look like they defy gravity. While other countries debate whether a project is viable, China is already laying the first stone. And when it finishes, the world watches in silence, realizing that once again, this giant has achieved what few thought possible. If there's one area where China showcases its power without hesitation, it's transportation. Bullet trains crossing thousands of kilometers at speeds we once only saw in movies. Elevated highways shining like serpents of light. Ports so massive they look like floating cities. China has redefined what it means to move, and in the process, it has built one of the fastest, most efficient, and most advanced transportation systems on the planet. The pride of this transportation revolution has a name: magnetic levitation trains. They don't roll, they don't vibrate, they don't make noise, they simply float. These trains are the perfect example of China's obsession with surpassing limits. The goal? Not just to be fast, but to be the best, to be the first, to be the ones who set the world's pace. And they're achieving exactly that. But none of this would exist without the framework that sustains the entire country. Colossal energy plants, electrical grids powering massive cities, water, communication, and transportation systems that operate like a single living organism. China doesn't just build bridges and buildings, it builds capacity. It builds resilience. It builds future. The real engine behind China's rise is not cement or steel. It's digital power, data, artificial intelligence, robotics, automation. China understood something crucial. In the 21st century, whoever controls technology controls the future. And that's why digital development has become a national, everyday, strategic priority. Chinese citizens live in a digital ecosystem that many countries are still trying to imagine. Applications connect everything, from how you pay for transportation to how you book a hospital. In China, everything is integrated, simplified, and optimized. It's like living in a system where every gear is designed to make your life faster, easier, and smoother. It is efficiency turned into culture. And behind this accelerated life beats one of the planet's most powerful economies. A country that manufactures, exports, researches, innovates, and that in recent decades has become an essential player in almost every global industry. From technology to energy, from electric cars to satellites, China is an engine that never stops. And its strength is felt, even if you are on the other side of the world. But this is only the beginning. Because if there is one thing that defines modern China, something that summarizes its ambition and its speed, it is the way it has learned to turn gigantic challenges into planet-transforming opportunities. And that is the most impressive part of all. China does not just advance because it builds large cities or manufactures at impossible speed. There is a silent element, an invisible engine, that sustains all this progress: collective discipline. While in many countries, technology changes lives, in China, technology changes entire societies. People adopt the new with surprising naturalness. They update systems, modify routines, change habits, without fear, without resistance, without nostalgia for the old. Here, innovation is not an option. It is part of daily life. Listen to this. When a new payment method, a new app, a new form of transportation, or a new digital tool appears, the population adopts it en masse, quickly, without complications. That mindset, that capacity to adapt quickly, is one of the reasons why China can move decades ahead of the world. Because while other countries debate whether to change or not, China has already changed. already advanced, already scaled, already updated. And that is why what happens in China today, in many places around the planet, will happen 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. There is something about China that is even more surprising than its buildings, its roads, or its technology. And that is the mindset of its people. A discipline transmitted from childhood. A dedication seen in every factory, in every company, in every person who wakes up with the idea of advancing a little more than yesterday. In China, ambition is not ego. It is culture. It is identity. It is the force that has turned this country into one of the most powerful engines on the planet. Many countries talk about productivity. China lives it. Millions of organized, trained, and focused workers have created one of the fastest and largest manufacturing systems in modern history. It is the factory of the world, yes, but it is also one of the greatest sources of innovation. And it is that combination, speed, discipline, and knowledge, that has led China to produce more, faster, and with a precision that surprises even those who study it closely. The most impressive thing is that growth does not depend only on the state. Chinese companies have become global giants thanks to their relentless focus on efficiency, technology, and expansion. Companies that started in garages or local markets today compete with the largest on the planet. China doesn't just manufacture. China creates. China innovates. China competes, and rarely loses. One of the symbols of China's advancement is on its streets. Electric vehicles. They are silent, modern, accessible, and form part of the urban landscape as if they had always been there. Today, in many Chinese cities, seeing a gasoline car is almost a rarity. This country did not just adopt electric mobility, it made it a standard, and in the process, it changed the global automotive industry. But the real revolution did not come from the companies. It came from the people. China has a young, connected, and change-friendly population that adopts new technologies with a speed that surprises the world. They are not afraid to learn. They are not afraid to adapt. They are not afraid to experiment. They live at an accelerated pace where every year brings something new, and where the new becomes normal faster than any other country could imagine. If there is a clear example of this modern mindset, it is the payment system. In China, cash is almost a memory of the past. From street markets to large shopping centers, it is a system so efficient, so fast, so integrated, that other countries are still trying to understand how China managed to digitally synchronize an entire population in such a short time. China lives with a very clear philosophy. If something can be done faster, it is done faster. But it is not speed without control. It is speed with purpose, with design, with structure. This rhythm, this collective energy, has turned the country into a machine of continuous progress. Behind this advancement is an education system that places knowledge at the center. Science, engineering, mathematics, technology. The new generations grow up with an analytical mindset, prepared to work in high-level industries and contribute to the country's growth. It is no coincidence that China leads so many areas of modern development. It is the result of millions of minds trained to create, improve, and transform. Specialized universities, immense laboratories, and research centers that operate 24 hours a day have turned China into a magnet for scientists, engineers, and developers from all over the planet. a territory that moves forward tirelessly, reinvents itself without fear, and transforms the world with every step it takes. We may admire it. We may be surprised by it. We may even be a little intimidated. But what we cannot deny is that China is setting the pace of the planet, and all of us, in one way or another, are walking behind that rhythm. And the final question is not, what will become of China? The real question is, are we ready for the world that China is building? Thank you for joining me on this journey. I invite you to keep exploring the world with me. We are Mapsy World. Like the video for the next adventure, and I'll see you in the next one.